All right, team is here. We're going to be doing a water leak search investigation on this property in Chandler, Arizona. And as you can see, the meter is spinning. It just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning, and no one is using it inside. So there's a couple of leaks that we found, and what we're going to do is inject it with gas, and then we're going to use the tracer to come in and start sniffing around to find the leak. As you can see, everything's wet. There's not really a lot of signs of where this leak could be. This concrete stays wet. It could potentially be in this zone. We definitely know there's a leak right by the PVC valves. So we're going to be able to dig all of this out and then repair that 3/4 inch PVC line and shutoff valve. So yeah, we'll keep you posted, and no worries.